Polymarket is now integrated inside of your Phemex account. You can see me. I'm right here on the top of the leaderboard. They just started, and I jumped on predictions right away. So click Predict. Use my invite code GMMNX5 to create your account, and you'll get special bonuses. Here you can see a lot of the different things that you can make your picks. You've got crypto, sports, politics, finance. You can even make predictions on the weather, tech, the economy. Right now we're having the NBA playoffs, so you can actually place your predictions on the NBA playoffs right now. The benefit of this is you don't have to send your crypto to another wallet. You don't have to create a new wallet. You don't have to create an account on Polymarket. All of your financial transactions that you do with crypto can be done now right from within inside your Phemex spot wallet. So here's an example of the World Cup. You can place your prediction on that, yes or no. You will see the odds change over time. I'm going to have more details on Polymarket inside of Phemex coming soon. Of course, you can check out Bitcoin. Instead of actually buying or selling Bitcoin, you can just predict when it'll hit 150,000. And that price of the payout will change over time. You can actually make predictions on what will happen in the conflict in Iran. Please follow, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more in 2026.